Hi, in this video we're going to talk briefly about the differences between spelling in the United States and in the UK and Ireland, Republic of Ireland. Okay, so it may surprise you to know that there are differences in spelling, and these are the main ones. So I've listed some of the main differences here on the left. You can see under US and what the spellings are. So let's see, can you guess what the spellings are in the UK? You probably can, okay, but let's see. Colour without the U in the US, and in the UK and in Ireland we add the U. Colour. The pronunciation of these words is the same, okay, it's just the spelling. And it really doesn't matter how you spell it, it just matters that you are consistent. If you're spelling in the UK Irish way, keep the whole document or email or whatever you're writing in that spelling. If you're spelling something in the US way, make sure all of it is spelt in that way. A good way to check that is if you have something like Grammarly, or you're using Google or something to check your documents as you write, or your emails. This will help you because it will tell you you're wrong if you do it in the other way. So for example, if your software is for US English, it will tell you that English from the UK, the spelling is wrong. Okay, if that makes sense. Okay, let's move on. Organize in the US is spelled with an S. In UK, organize, pronunciation is the same. You can also spell it with a Z in the UK, as far as I can tell. Catalog. In the US, you can spell it with the UE or without. Pronunciation is the same. Catalog, catalog. Similar words. I'm just taking one example of these words. For example, color, flavor, okay, neighbor, all the same. Organize, categorize, all the same. So just analog, catalog, the same. The next one then is analyze, Z in US. And here, analyze, okay? Traveled with one L, and I use two L's because I'm Irish. Pediatric, pediatric, pronunciation is the same. And finally, license with an S in the US, and license with a C here on this side of the water. So that's it, short and sweet. Just be careful. My name is Sabrina from Inglés con Kilian. If you like this, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.